Hello, I'm Shivam Thakare. I'm a student of Masai. My student code is sector 460139. So I'm explaining assignment question. Uh, so let me share my screen. So question is the Volt keyboard only puzzle box with adaptive lock system. So your task is building a secure digital vault that can only be opened by solving keyboard driven puzzle. No mouse allowed. So decoding the input layers of keyboard. The first volt, there will be volt in interface. Log one sequence log. User must type the correct five sequence. Example AB, left arrow, and Q. So if you continue, click five keywords, five sequence key like AB, left arrow, and Q. So that will be uh, give your output. But if you press any other key, so it lock will be reset. After second timing lock, uh, if you press space bar in every second for 5 rounds, so it will perform. It will measure your performance using performance.now or date.now deltas. If deviation too high, so it will automatically reset. And in memory lock, the screen places three type pattern RTF for 1 second each. After flash, the user to reproduce it from the memory via keyboard. So let me share my screen with that's the code. There will be terminal with the help of we show the output. So log remaining will be three. First of all, and first will be message shown. Second will unlock log remaining will be minus. It means we decrease the logs like if you press any key, so it will decrease the log and lock remaining content will be shown with the help of it. There will be five key A, B, left arrow, right arrow, and Q. So if you uh, click any key and it will be sequence of first element, so it will increase the element and you go in right direction. But and if you reach the last element, so uh, it will show the out message sequence lock solved. So and again it's called unlock here. That unlock function will decrease the lock remainings where there will be three point. Then second question, second scenario, there will be we have to with time space bar. Press the space bar and if key equals to space bar not equals to space bar, if you return any if you press any key it will be returned. And we check performance dot now and we post the in array uh, time presses array and time its length is greater than 1, so we decrease we subtract from current to perform current which is performance dot now to uh, our time presses dot length minus 2, which is then uh, delta and time press will be empty. So if you put any other key, so bad timing, try again. So and time length will be equal to 5. So if you continuously like it said it if you continuously after 1 second click space bar, so lock will be unlocked. And other third, you have to places three key pattern RTF for 1 second each. So you have to press three keyword in this manner RTF, and there will be a array where you store all things like memory phase will be starting false, so it will memorize the pattern and there will be so how to press keyword to show our sequences with the help of like in clear interval we clear the interval and With the help of handle memory lock, we handle the memories like RTF. We press the RTF or not, and if you complete it, so memory lock solved. Otherwise, wrong pattern. Try again, and we used add event listener to run that event using key down. So that's the code. So let me show the output. So there will be output. Use your keyword like memorize pattern, RTF. So R T or F. So memory locked solved. So uh, if you press key correct key, so memory lock will be solved. So that's the output. So that's it.